All right, so for this Blender How To video, it's just another example of extruding, but we're using it to create the inner circle of the power ring. So what we did before we move on to the outer power ring was I applied an armor mirror on the C-axis. So select it, edit, outer mirror, C, and that was pretty much it. So we don't really need these two things right now, so but we gotta name them. So outer ring. Let's get rid of those two, and then on the side we're gonna shift A, add image, reference the inner ring. Make sure it's space the other one, so that is supposed to be a 10, right? So yep. Then we can start building our outer ring. All right, so let's add a shift A, cylinder, mesh, cylinder. This one's gonna have a triangle fan because the geometry needs to be close to it. We're just gonna do 16 here for the vertices, but we can do less. Then do 90. Y rotation. Okay, and then we're gonna scale it so it's just as big. All right, and there we have it. Okay, and then so we can see what's going on, let's toggle the X-ray. What happens to one side, it's not gonna happen to the other one. So we are just gonna select the faces here, but before we do that, get the outer ring here, and the inner ring has to be smaller than the outer ring. So select the outer ring, S on the x-axis. All right, that should be good. All right, yeah, okay. So press 3. All right, so we're good here. All right, so before we deselect the toggle X-ray, select tab, then press Alt A to deselect everything. Press C, just select those front images right here. I mean the faces. Then we're gonna toggle X-ray. We've select the inset faces so we can create multiple faces. Oh, sorry. All right, select that ring. And now we have the outer edge right here. So we can extrude up, actually down, back to the faces. Then inset again. That's fine. Then inset and then extrude back. Yep. 3. Then inset for that, and this will go up a little bit. Then we're gonna inset again for that right there. That's gonna go back about that much, and then another 3, and then inset again. Oh, sorry, not extrude, but inset, and then so when we extrude, we kind of want to line this up with this edge, like right around there. What we can do is go to snap, and then snap to edge. Make sure that's turned on right here, right? So this, and then extrude. Oh, see, it does extrude. Oh, there we are. Extrude to the edge. and that's not bad. We will go back a little bit. No, that's fine. Okay, we've got it. All right, then unsnap that. Yeah, that's fine. Go back, toggle X-ray. As you can see, we've created our inner, what do you call it? Our inner ring, and it looks pretty dope. The back here is left alone because we're just really messing with this. All right, and let's see. Yeah, all right, that's about it. Okay, that's it. Hopefully that extra face, sorry, the extra extrusion to create this helped. Mixing some extrusion, some inset, helps you like create a variety of different like shapes. But yeah, best of luck. Hope that helped in some way.